If you want to set up FaceTime on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, or the 17 Pro Max, so here's how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for the FaceTime app. Then tap on it. Now from here, just enable the toggle for FaceTime. Now after you enable the toggle for FaceTime, just go back and tap on FaceTime one more time. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled FaceTime on our iPhone. Now under You can be reached by FaceTime at, just select your phone number or your Apple ID so that you can be reached by other people through the selected method. For example, I have already selected my Apple ID, but you can also enter your phone number in this section. Now after you have done that, you will successfully set up FaceTime on your iPhone, just like that. And this is how you can set up FaceTime on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, or the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.